Hey, what's going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy, Marlon O Bennett. I affectionately refer to myself as the original student of the game of internet marketing. And I'm going to tell you guys why. It was about 4.5 years ago that I was looking for a way to generate extra income working from home. I found the internet. I started immersing myself in internet marketing training. I learned how to start building my own websites. And then I learned how to start generating traffic, right? Now, I'm telling you guys this because it didn't start that way, okay? It started with me spending lots of money. It started with me going around in circles and not really knowing how the pieces of the puzzle actually fit together. Now, I'm going to run through just a few samples of different sites I've built that have made money for me. And then I'm going to show you guys how you don't have to do any of what I'm about to show you tonight. And how you could actually get started and kind of cut down on that learning curve that I had to go through. And you're probably going to be able to save yourself a lot of money too. But I'm really proud of what I've gone through because I've learned so much. And I tell people all the time, I'm really just getting started now that I understand, okay? I will say this before I show you guys a few examples of some of the sites I built. When you understand the anatomy of done-for-you marketing systems and sales funnels, then you understand traffic and how that ties into the equation, then you can do anything you want to do. You don't have to wait for anybody to do anything for you. You don't have to wait for anybody to put you in the rotator. You don't have to wait for you don't have to wait for anything, guys. You guys always hear me talk about speaking your own success into existence. And before I get long-winded, let me just go it over and show you guys just a few. And when I say a few, guys, I really mean a few of the different systems and that I put together. Because I immersed myself in internet marketing. I will say this. There is some training that you're going to have to be willing to go through. But with what I'm going to show you tonight, guys, is really, the training is about 15 minutes. Honest. It's about 15 minutes. Anyway, let's jump over here, guys. Let's just take a look at some of the different things I've created over the last few years, guys, and some of the things I'm really proud of. This particular business right here, I'm going to talk about, it was actually a business system. If I can get my camera to work right, guys, my camera's acting very funny. If you guys can't still see me, I was able to tap into this business here and generate $10 commissions, guys. They still come in. Well, they don't come in to this day because the platform's actually changed, but I did a lot of business with that business and very happy and proud of the way I was able to do that. This particular one is something that I'm working on right now. You guys have probably seen it on the internet. I'm talking about something that's different there. This is just a capture page that I'm actually using to build out a new funnel that I'm working on. This is actually a traffic website that I put together, guys, a few months back. This is, just basically talk about automated marketing systems and sales funnels. Of course, guys, I do a lot of my own bridge pages and stuff like that. And of course, I do a lot of resources. It's just in terms of traffic and lead generation. And so I do a lot of this stuff. And you guys just see me doing the videos on YouTube and you probably wonder, what the heck is he doing? Half the time. But here's the point. You said right. I said. Here's the point of what I want you guys to take away from this video. Right? If you can understand how marketing systems work, right? And tonight I'm going to introduce you guys to a system where you can start working from home and from part-time. And you don't need to be able to do none of the things I just showed you, okay? You don't have to build a single website. You can just simply follow along with the system and you can start using it to make money online. It's a great way, guys, to just simply automate online cash, okay? It's a great way to automate online cash and you don't have to build anything. And that's what I'm excited about. And I hope that you guys are excited about as well. So I want to thank you for opting in. I hope that I didn't take too much of your time. So let's move on, guys. Right below this video, there's going to be a continue button. Click the continue button and I'll show you guys how you can, a video how you guys can get plugged into the system. Okay. If you're on YouTube, guys, click the YouTube. There's going to be a link in the YouTube video description area. Okay? Anyway, I thank you guys for opting in. Hope this has been some value to you guys, or I hope it ended up being of some value to you. And I'll see you guys on the next video, okay? As always, this is your boy, Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys, and I'll see you on the inside.